How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Painted its original raven black, red interior. These Fastback Mustangs are really hard to find. It's got the 289 in it, automatic. Bumpers, the original bumpers, they got a little bit of patina on them. This is a good survivor. Now, I really like this car and this combination. This has got to be a fairly rare combination, red and black, factory colors. Interior is in really good condition. Got a retrofit AM/FM radio in it. Headliner real nice. Now this has the fold down rear seat. Working roof vents. Got the factory jacks and spare. Dash pad's real nice, no cracks. Carpet all looks real good. As you can see, the fold down rear seat. All the carpet and everything on it's real nice. Really like the red interior. Motor runs real sweet. Got the factory 4-barrel intake. Really cool car. Sounds good out the exhaust. A little chilly out today. Cool car, guys. These cars are really hard to find, the Fastbacks. You can check Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.